Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you what is Airbnb, a rental property, and how to do it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In Airbnb, if you don't own any apartment or any house but you're still renting them on Airbnb, that means Airbnb a rental property. In order to list a rental property into Airbnb, you just simply have to get someone else's house or apartment on any agreement, and after that you just simply have to list it into the Airbnb just like your house. Now in order to do that, just simply go into your profile section and click to Airbnb your place. Then after that, just simply tap into Airbnb setup, and now after doing this, you will get to see so many options. Just simply tap into create a new listing, and into here you just simply have to click get started, and then select the place which you got in rent and want to list into Airbnb. I'm selecting house option and click to next button. Then after that, just simply select the option which is suitable for you and go to next page. And after filling up all that details about the property that you got in rent into Airbnb, your process will be completed and you can easily Airbnb a rental property into Airbnb. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.